What's up mga trupa? Ganito. Na-due date na naman ang preventive maintenance ng Montero natin. Oops. 35,000. Bang, yan o. Routine maintenance required. Saktong pang-apat na taon na ngayong June, tapos na 35,000 kilometers na yung takbo natin. Siyempre, para mapangalagaan din si Montero, kailangan natin na maintenance. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may car care center ng Petron. Change oil, change brake. Papacheck ko na rin yung mga fluids. Basta yung normal na ginagawa sa preventive maintenance.
About me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same podcast, same old boots. Trying to outrun the thought of you, but in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget.
Pang-anim pa ako, pero
I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past.
Naiwan pa sa akin yung kalahati nung last time. Baka pwede pa natin gamitin. Ayun. Diba parang 8 liters yata, sabi, tapos 7.5 lang nilagay. Tinago ko. Pwede pa yan lang. Hindi naman napapanis. Sa panahon ngayon, medyo nagiging practical na rin ako. Medyo pricey sa kasa, kaya kapag mga change oil, dito na ako sa sarap din naman, change oil. Kasi yung pinapalagay ko, fully synthetic na turbo diesel, sabi nga dito.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna
Tapos na yung bulang sarap. Yung isa. Isunod na yung isa.
dream like that, this heart of mine. Wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your enmity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides.
Ano, Pia? It's the most important thing na gagawin natin. The waiting time.
What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Wala na. Sige, sige. sige, sige.
Tapos yung harap, yung tatlo, okay lang. Kasi ito,
Gano'n yung palitin.
Ay,
Ay,
ito, pag gumawa naman, one set naman.
Di set palitan na, set.
Ah.
Sa kanya. Daming casualties ngayon. Kanina yung van tsaka pick up. Ngayon may isa pa. Pick up din tsaka jeep. Ano? Yung pick up na yan sumabit sa jeep. Bandang likod. May init ang kalsada. Ay, ito na mga tropa yung ilalagay natin na oil. Pares din dun sa tinago natin na kalahating litro. 5W40. Turbo diesel. Air filter. Ay, air filter. T3 valve. Tapos na mga trupa. Since dito sa Petron, babayaran ko ng card.
Passport man. Gusto na.
Mabigat pala yung preno. Harap tsaka likod kapag set. Umabot ako ng 18. Okay. Pag-usapan natin sa loob ng kotse. Okay na, sir?
Start mo, sir.
Ay, start. Start daw muna natin mga trupa.
Can I have scissors?
Scissors is in your bag yata.
No, it's not. I gave it to you. I gave it to you. It's not okay. Cause I gave it to you. Daddy.
Wait ka dyan, bigyan ko lang ng tip yung mekaniko ha.
Dahil? Ay! Oh my country. Sorry about that.
Sa susunod ulit. Kapag mag 40 odometer, 35 to eh. 35 siya. Sunod ulit.
Daddy,
Oo, okay lang.
can you open
Ito,
this?
pang old pala no?
Oo.
Ay!
Kaya nga sir. Sophia, wait lang. Because I'm talking to someone and I'm gonna trust.
Wala pa?
Right. Tumiming ka naman, Sophia, ng ipapagawa mo sa akin. Loko ka naman. I was looking at the guard. The mechanic is talking to me. Tapos nagpapa-open ka ng ketchup. Ano ba yan? Wait lang, Sophia, ha? Kapag na-free na ako, yung both my hands, my ears, and my mouth, okay na, ha? Okay na, bro! Thank you! Oh wait, pagilid na ako dito and I'm free. What do you want pala? Scissors? Ito. Maliit lang ba na butas? Kasi para hindi madisgrasya. Scissors, put it in your badminton bag. Your ketchup.
Thanks. Okay.
Oh, nakalimutan ko, nag-record, nagbablog pa pala tayo. How's the temperature at the back?
Not
You add some fan. Okay na?
yes.
Mga trupa, mabigat pala yung preno natin. Nagulat ako, total 18,450 yata yun eh. 18,440 pala. Yung preno natin, umabot tayo ng 12,800. Both na yon, front and back, magkaiba yun eh. Pero set. One set sa likod, one set sa harap. Yun siya. Original kasi yung pinakabit ko. Hindi na ako na class A ba yun? Mga copy. Siyempre Montero yung gamit natin, tapos lalagyan natin ng mga pekeng preno. Isa sa pinaka-importanteng parte ng sasakyan yung preno for our safety. Nagulat lang ako, akala ko ang gagastusin ko dyan hindi aabot ng 10,000. Na 18,000 tayo mga trupa. So yun mga trupa, that's the summary of 35,000 odometer preventive maintenance ni Montero natin na hindi sa kasa nagpa-maintenance. I suggest, pero kapag kaya nyo naman, it is better pa rin kapag dun kayo sa kasa magpa-maintenance kasi may procedure silang sinusunod dun. Dun sa pinagpa-maintenancean ko dyan sa Petron, kung ano lang yung sasabihin ko, yun na yung gagawin nila. Parang yun, change oil, tapos check brake, check fluids, mga ganun lang. Kung sa kasa, syempre meron silang talagang sinusunod doon na gagawin, kaya hindi mo na sasabihin, sila na mismo gagawa. Nakalimutan ko yung pinagpalitan natin ng mga preno. Tara mo na. Ang mahal pa, 12,000 boy. 12,000 set. Buti na lang pwede sa credit card. Tapos ngayon iniisip ko pa yung comprehensive insurance natin, mag-expire na rin. Kaya hindi ko kinagat yung maintenance dun sa kasa. Medyo nahirapan ako sa budget. Alright, that's it for today's POV driving. May sasabihin ka, papi, ha? Ikaw, sinasabayan mo pa ako dun sa kanina, ha?
Yeah. That was the end of the video. So the maintenance is done. We went there at 10 a.m. until if you can see, then you can see it's 12:11 now.
So we've been there for 2 hours, bro.
Yes. 2 hours. 2 hours. Without Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna end this now in 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Sa mga trupa, idagdag ko na lang din to. Hindi pala na-reset dun sa may Petron yung nag-a-alarm dito sa dashboard natin. Meron pa rin eh. Yan o, routine maintenance required. Meron pa rin siya. Ngayon, kung paano i-reset yan, ito lang yan eh. So syempre papatayin muna natin. Patay. Reset ko lang yung pintuan para mag-sleep yung dash natin. Yan. Yan, pag ganyan naka-sleep na siya. Ngayon pipindutin natin to ngayon. Pag lumabas yang parang may open range na yan, kilometer and month, ilolong press lang natin to. Hanggang magbi-blink ngayon yon. Pag nagbi-blink na yung wrench na yan, bibitawan natin to. Tapos isa pang pindot. Clear, sabi niya. Clear. So I think okay na yon. Pagkakaalam ko, kapag ganun nag-clear na siya, mawawala na yung alarm. So subukan natin start. Susi. Yan ngayon yung lalabas. Oops. Yan, nag-record. Nalobat yung battery ako, nag-change battery ako. Anyway, ganito na siya mga trupa. Reset ko lang yung pintuan. I think na-reset ko na. Kapag lumabas yung clear kanina dito sa may dashboard, upon starting, lalabas ngayon yan. Dapat hindi na lalabas yung routine maintenance sa required na yan. Try natin start mga trupa. Okay na, wala na, hindi na lumabas. So hindi na siya nag-a-alarm. Ibig sabihin nun, tapos na yung maintenance. Pero kapag hindi kayo nagpa-maintenance mga trupa, tapos i-reset nyo yun, hindi yun recommended. Kasi syempre kapag lumabas yun, ibig sabihin magpapa-maintenance kayo. Eh syempre ako, nauna na ako nagpa-maintenance, ako na nag-reset, hindi na ni-reset ng mekaniko dun sa may Petron kanina eh. Tara Pia, let's go home. Hindi ko naisingit kanina. Let's go. Sa pang POV mga tropa. POV.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Going back
Let's
to
go. Sige. I didn't work, bro.
Lucky for you.
Lucky for me. Sarap buhay kapag I didn't work. I just waited for you, bro.
Parang mas maganda hindi ka nag-work.
Mauuwi tayo agad, no?
Yeah.
Pero syempre, mauubusan tayo ng money pag hindi ako magtatrabaho.
Yeah, I know. But what if rest day ganun?
My rest day is just Saturdays and Sundays.
December.
That's holiday, bro.
Oh yeah. Well, that counts as a break. That counts.
You hungry?
What?
Are you hungry?
Not that much. Is there food here?
I think there's a sandwich over here, bro.
Sandwich. Okay, nice.
With Nutella palaman.
Ooh.
Check mo nga.
Gimme.
Kung wala dito, baka nandun sa badminton bag.
Wait, I didn't place it here. First of all, how did you even get that? Why the heck did you get it? Okay, got it. Yum, yum. Yum.
Meron pa? Wala na.
Wala na.
Tingin na lang ng tubig. Tubig na sa akin.
Okay.
Yung blue bottle mo nga dyan, ilagay mo dun sa badminton bag mo para hindi may iwan.
Wait a minute, what?
May blue bottle dun sa pocket ng door.
Hey, going back to Honolulu just to get the Maui Waui, the Maui Waui. Oh yeah, I also have my french fries.
Satisfied. Ay, oo, tapos yung ano dyan, yung burger. Sa akin na lang yung burger. You like the burger?
Yeah, and I want the french fries.
Ah, sige, tapos sa akin na lang yung burger. Saan yung burger ko?
Wait, I'm fixing it because. Wait, the wrapper is later covered with ketchup.
Oh no. You need tissue?
Yeah,
Ah, tissue.
thanks. No, just.
Yung kalat ilalagay mo sa pocket ng door para hindi magkalat yan sa upuan natin, ha?
What?
Haba na agad ng pila, 4 PM pa lang.
Oh, here. Wait. I just need to prepare it.
No, I can do it.
Here.
Paano kung prepare it? Kinagatan mo pala?
Ano?
So, may diskarte ka dyan, ha? Prepare it my ass. I just need to kagat it. Dapat sabihin mo, hindi you need to prepare it.